Malaysia, and today I'm very excited to share on another GS product from ATOMY Malaysia. So before we look into what is another GS product from ATOMY Malaysia, I would like to take this opportunity to wish all of y'all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. In conjunction of Christmas, ATOMY Malaysia is launching a Christmas cookies gift set. So we are going to look what is inside this box and what is the magical thing that's waiting for all of us, right? Unboxing, and now let's look into what are the 4 types of flavors of these delicious butter cookies for you guys to enjoy with your family, right? So the first is, of course, cornflakes and cereal cookies, and then we have the apricot butter cookies, right? Not only the apricot butter cookies, I think this would be the favorite for all the coffee lovers. We have the white coffee flavor, and the last one would be almond cocoa chip. And I think in the previous video we did about the mooncake, there was a special greeting cards inside that. And ATOMY once again makes us all feel appreciated during this festive season by having a plush toy inside this. So what is this plush toy? It's written there, ATOMY's logo there. And this is a ugly duckling dreaming of becoming a royal swan. And all of us know that this royal swan is one of the symbols of ATOMY's success. So we have just looked into the Merry Christmas gift set, and stay tuned guys, it will be launched on the 8th of December. Alright, 8th of December. Please be online. Oh no, it's gonna be again sold out like how our mooncake was sold out within minutes. A lot of members was just telling me, Sharviin, I could not able to buy the mooncake because the demand for the mooncake was high. What about butter cookies then? So make sure you guys be ready on the 8th of December. This product will be launched in ATOMY Malaysia shopping mall, and it's priced for 98 for the whole gift. Alright guys, to get this video done perfectly, there was a lot of help I needed, and today I'm going to introduce the person that have helped me. They would like to wish Merry Christmas together with me to all of y'all. Let's get Sales Master Kaijun, and also let's get Mr. Kesavan, and we would like to wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!